What's happening, guys? Matt at RollingHeavyMagazine. So we've been getting a lot of requests from you guys as far as videos go for YouTube. You want to see more stuff that's more magazine-related content. So for every issue of the magazine, we do a thing called Dude, I Can Totally Draw a Van. It's where we task an artist with drawing their best van in 5 minutes or less. It looks like this in the book. For that issue, issue 19, we test our buddy Dennis, Thorazine Two Step on Instagram and Facebook. He's got links at the end of this video and down below. With drawing his best van in 5 minutes or less. He did a video. Unfortunately, when we released the issue of the magazine, we lost the video. We just found it. That's what this video is. So check it out. Enjoy it. Hope you like it. If you want to support the magazine, we have merch like this. And other cool stuff at RollingHeavyMagazine, BigCartel.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. We'll talk to you later. See you. Bye.